Introduce highlight features or overview summary for InnoVibe wireless Bluetooth speaker light, with LED sound reactive lights. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: dynamic speaker lights. Experience a symphony of color with our wireless speakers' sound reactive LED lights, perfect for creating an immersive atmosphere. Ideal for those seeking Christmas presents for teens, it's an electronics marvel that dazzles. LED wall speaker. Our LED wall light with Bluetooth technology offers a seamless blend of illumination and audio. Transform any room into a concert hall with a 10W sound output and mood lamp Bluetooth features, perfect for smart speaker with light enthusiasts. Versatile Pairable lamp speaker. This lamp with Bluetooth speaker effortlessly pairs with devices for uninterrupted audio. Its rechargeable battery ensures you enjoy your favorite tunes during any occasion, and it's a top choice for a bathroom light with Bluetooth speaker. Bluetooth speaker night light. Enhance your evenings with a color-changing light speaker, offering a soothing ambience. Ideal as a Bluetooth radio for kids, it serves as a Bluetooth speaker night light, making it a versatile addition to any bedroom or nursery. Wall mount and rechargeable design. Mount this Bluetooth speaker with LED lights to any wall for optimal placement. Its rechargeable battery promises long-lasting performance, making it a thoughtful choice for Christmas presents for teens or as a Bluetooth speaker teen girl gift. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.